Why do 80% of home bakers struggle with Japanese jiggly cakes? Let's make sure you're in the 20% that nails it. Hey there, baking buddies. Jimmy here, and today we're diving into the magical world of Japanese jiggly cakes. Trust me, it's easier than you think. But first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. All right, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 6 large eggs separated, 1 cup of cake flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. First up, preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. That's about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, melt your butter in a saucepan on low heat and mix in the milk. Let it cool a bit, then whisk in the egg yolks and vanilla extract. Next, sift the cake flour into the mixture and stir until smooth. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites and cream of tartar until frothy. Gradually add the sugar and keep beating until you get stiff peaks. Gently fold the egg whites into the batter, a little at a time. Pour the mixture into a lined cake tin and give it a gentle tap to release air bubbles. Bake in a water bath for 50-60 minutes. And there you have it, the perfect jiggly cake. Let it cool before you dig in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy baking!